Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the next chapter, that is ecosystem and energy flow. In that only one of the topic is involved in your syllabus and remaining part is deleted. Okay, so uh, only one point is included, that is ecological succession. Ecological succession means what? That is gradual changes in a given area, called as a ecological succession. So these gradual changes means what? In that what happen? The gradual and predictable change in a species composition of that given area. म्हणजे त्या काही त्या एरियामधले काही जे स्पेसिस आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये हळूहळू चेंजेस होत आहे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन. आणि हे जे चेंजेस आहे, दॅट इज द चेंज इज सिक्वेन्शियल अँड रेग्युलेटेड बाय द एन्व्हायरमेंट. म्हणजे ते कशामुळे होत आहे? ड्यू टू दॅट ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंट अँड इट हॅविंग द डिफरंट स्टेप्स. म्हणजे ते डायरेक्टली चेंज होत आहे का? नाही, एक ग्रॅज्युअली चेंजेस, म्हणजे हळूहळू चेंजेस होत आहे ड्यू टू दॅट ऑफ द चेंजेस ऑफ एन्व्हायरमेंट अँड इट इज चेंज बाय द सिक्वेन्शियली चेंजेस रेग्युलेटेड बाय द एन्व्हायरमेंट. ओके, that is called as the succession. You can see here in this slide. Firstly, you can see small shrubs are seen, then herbs are seen. After that, the plant which is formed, and from this plant one of the tree which is seen. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसतं आहे? हळूहळू पहिले श्रब, हर्ब आणि नंतर मग प्लांट फॉर्म होत आहे किंवा ट्री फॉर्म होत आहे. म्हणजे इथे काय झालेलं आहे? त्या एरियामध्ये हळूहळू चेंजेस, त्या स्पेसेसमध्ये हळूहळू चेंजेस झाले आणि तिथे पर्टिक्युलर एक प्लांट फॉर्म झालेला आहे किंवा ट्री फॉर्म झालेली आहे. तर याच्यामध्ये काय झालेले आहे? ग्रॅज्युअल चेंजेस झालेले आहे ड्यू टू दॅट ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंटल चेंज. Succession having two types, that is primary succession and second one is the secondary succession. Now the first we will discuss about the primary succession. Primary succession means what? That is start in area where succession which start in area where no living organism ever existed. म्हणजे तिथे सगळ्यात पहिले आपल्याला लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम दिसणार नाही. तिथे जे काही चेंजेस घडून येतात त्या एरियामध्ये, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ प्रायमरी सक्सेशन. अँड फॉर एक्झाम्पल बेअर रॉक, देन इन दॅट द फेमस एक्झाम्पल that is bare rock, newly formed pond or newly cooled lava, that is a volcano. These are the famous example of primary succession. Comparatively, when we see the secondary succession, means the succession which start in an area where the natural biotic community have been destroyed. म्हणजे सगळ्यात पहिले तिथे काहीतरी जे लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम आहे किंवा बायोटिक कम्युनिटी आपल्याला दिसेल आणि त्याच्यावर जे काही फॉर्म त्या एरियामध्ये काही जे चेंजेस घडून येतात, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द सेकंडरी सक्सेशन. अँड इन दॅट दिस सक्सेशन इन सेकंडरी सक्सेशन which is having example are include, there is the burn or forest, cut forest, then land affected by the flood. These are the secondary, these are the example of secondary succession. When we see the difference between primary succession and secondary succession, the first difference that is occurs, this primary succession occur in an area where no community had existed before, and secondary succession it occurs in an area where a community had existed before. म्हणजे इकडे आपल्याला कम्युनिटी त्याच्या जेव्हा प्रायमरी सक्सेशन होईल त्यावेळेस तिथे त्या एरियामध्ये कोणत्याही प्रकारचे स्पेसिमन दिसणार नाही किंवा कोणत्याही प्रकारची कम्युनिटी दिसणार नाही. तर इथे सेकंडरी सक्सेशनमध्ये आपल्याला तिथे सगळ्यात पहिले त्या एरियामध्ये एखादी कम्युनिटी जी आहे ती एक्झिस्ट झालेली दिसणार. ठीक आहे. देन प्रायमरी सक्सेशन इन्क्लूड द लायकेन, the first one to appear, and in secondary succession grasses, shrub and weeds are the first organism to appear. Then primary succession takes a very long time, about 1000 years to reach the climax community. Then secondary succession it takes a shorter time of 50 to 100 years for a grassland and 200 years for the clear forest to reach climax community. Primary succession begins on sand dunes and volcanic islands or the lava flows, and secondary succession it begins on an area devastated by fire, earthquake, or the forest cleared by man. The next type, that is Hydrarch succession and the Xerarch succession. When we see the difference in that, that is ecological successions that starts in a water bodies and proceed to mesozoic condition called Hadrach succession. म्हणजे ही जे Hadrach succession आहे begins in a water or wetland area and it progress from Hadric to Mesozoic condition called as a Hadrach succession. For example, first stage of this Hadrach succession, phytoplankton stage. After that it forms the submerged plant stage, then submerged free floating plant stage, then reed swamp stage, then marsh meadow stage, then scrubs stage, and then after that it formed the forest. When we see the Zeerach succession, in this the ecological succession that starts with Benson rocks xeric condition and proceed to Mesozoic condition called as a Zeerach succession. ओके, म्हणजे इकडे आपल्याला वॉटर बॉडीमध्ये दिसणार दॅट इज हॅड्राज म्हणजे वॉटर, झेराज म्हणजे काय, इट ऑकर्स इन अ ड्राय एरिया अँड प्रोग्रेसेस फ्रॉम झेरिक टू मेझिक कंडिशन. ओके, ड्राय एरिया म्हटलं तर झेराज अँड हॅड्राज म्हटलं तर वॉटर. दिस झेराज सक्सेशन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस बेअर रॉक, then lichen mass stage. After that it formed the annual herb stage, then perennial herb stage, then it forms shrubs stage, then last one is the forest. म्हणजे इथे तुम्हाला दोन हॅड्राच आणि झेराजचा डिफरन्स सांगितला. You can see here in this slide the Zeerach, that is firstly it formed bare rock, then lichen, small annual plant lichen, after that perennial herbs, grasses, then grasses, shrubs, shades of in trees, then the shade tolerant trees are seen. This Hadrach succession, it is also called as the amphibious stage. In that water level is very much reduced and soil and slates level increases. Soil become more fertile by death and decay of plants. And another condition is most of the plants will be rooted but their shoots exposed to air, have well developed rhizome. It forms very dense vegetation, for example typha and sagittaria. The developmental stage of ecological succession, it is called as the serial stage, and in this stage the organism of the first serial stage are called as the pioneer. म्हणजे सगळ्यात पहिली जी स्टेज आहे serial स्टेजची ती आहे कोणती, pioneers. In that what happen, these pioneer species are the species that invade a bare area. Then in primary succession on rock, crustose lichens are the pioneer species, and they secrete the acid which cause the weathering of rock and soil formation. A small amount of soil support the growth of bryophytes and mosses which are succeeded by the herbaceous plant, ultimately leads to stable climax forest. म्हणजे इथे सगळ्यात पहिले आपल्याला काय दिसणार आहे, pioneer species which is seen. Gradually what happen, the pioneers modify the physical environment and that enable to new species to arrive in this given area, and it followed by the arrival of heterotrophs in the area. Finally a stable community established in this area, which is known as a climax community. You can see here there the climax community, different plants are seen, really big plants are also seen, peoples are also seen, and the many plants together. These are the example of climax community. Okay, climax community remains stable as long as the environment remain unchanged, and in that the primary succession in a water body has been small phytoplanktons as a pioneer, means they are replaced with the time by rooted submerged plant, for example hydrilla, then rooted floating angiosperm, for example lotus, and it followed by the free floating plant, that is pistia, then reed swamp, typha, marsh meadows, then shrubs, and finally trees. In this climax again would be forest, thus changing the water body into land.